Hello again, boys and girls. As you can see, I made a lot of progress on my value project. My lines are still defined because I colored my value going in different ways so it wouldn't blend into one big shape. So you should have those defined areas on your project. And I started coloring in my spheres on here. So I'm going to show you how to do the last 3 spheres on here, and then you are going to start it on your own. Now, I have a paper on here because pencil smudges very easily. So my paper on here will keep me from smudging it and resting my arm on there. Pick any color that you want. It does not matter what colors that you want to use, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly draw a circle somewhere inside of my sphere. And then from there I'm going to start drawing loose circles around it, coloring lightly. You're not pressing hard all the way in to fill in that circle. When you are coloring this in, you're coloring it in a circular motion. That helps this look more 3D or more like a sphere. Okay, so I have the basic shape colored in. Now I'm going to go and make those edges of the sphere darker. And this is where I'm going to use my value to go from light to dark of a color. You want it to be evenly colored in there. If you need to turn your paper, you can. But make sure you're moving that paper with you so you're not making a mess of your hand and your project. You don't want a stripe showing when you are coloring this in. So what I mean by that is I don't want a really, really dark area and then a light area next to it. I want to blend that in a little underneath that color so it looks like more it's going from light to dark of a color. And then at the middle, I'm just going to keep that little white area white, and I'm going to color all the way around it so that it looks like this is my 3D. Okay, I would work on this a little bit more, but since I'm just demonstrating for you guys, I'll fix this later. I'll finish it, not fix it. And I still have the small one to do, so I'm going to choose a different color. Keep my paper here so that I'm not making a mess. Drawing my circle on there and then lightly going in a circular motion all the way around that, and then after that you're going to start making a darker edge and then blending it in. Last, my circle over here. I'm actually going to use my paper in a different way. I'm going to put it underneath my project so that I'm not making a mess of my project. I'm going to draw a circle on here again and do the same step, dark around the edges, and then start blending in using my value to go from dark to light of that green that I'm using there. If you need to sharpen your pencil, you may. It helps too to use the side of your pencil. So you notice I'm not using the tip. I am turning it on the side and using the side. That's a little trick to making it easier for you when you are doing this. Now try to still keep in the circular motion. I know it's a little harder on the edges. Don't worry about drawing on the paper underneath, but you shouldn't be drawing on the table. Have fun, boys and girls. Okay, there is my finished project. Looks really cool. Like I said, I'd go back in and rework that, but not right now. Good luck!